Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 81 of 111 days verification challenge. The skill set which we are focusing on right now is System Verilog. Today we will solve some miscellaneous questions on System Verilog. Let's see today's challenge questions. There is a test bench which we use to verify our design. You can write the test bench in System Verilog. We had already seen a challenge on System Verilog test bench in the previous day's challenge. Now, this test bench can either be static or dynamic. You need to explain what is the difference between these two test benches. We have seen the concept of input and output skew. I want to know why would I recommend you to define a default input and output skew. What happens if you don't define the default input and output skew? You want to do some error injection in System Verilog test bench so that you can see how the design behaves in those error scenarios. How are you going to inject that error in your test bench? There are a lot of variables in System Verilog. These variables can either be local or global. This is the scope of variable. You can either have the scope as local or you can have the scope as global. What is the difference between these two? You can cast your variables, and that casting can also be static and dynamic. What is the difference between static and dynamic casting? You want to make a hierarchical connection with scoreboard from monitor. How are you going to do that? You write a lot of constraints in System Verilog to randomize your test bench. These constraints can be hard or soft constraint. What is the difference between these two? When you are doing randomization, you can also use some pre-randomize and post-randomize method. What is pre-randomize and post-randomize? We have various loops in System Verilog like we have in other languages. Similarly, we have for loop as well as we have for each loop. What is the difference between these two? We have assertions in System Verilog. I have already started a tutorial series on System Verilog assertions in Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. You need to explain the difference between immediate and deferred immediate assertions. How will you establish a communication between System Verilog to any foreign language using DPI? Solve these questions for today, and tomorrow I am going to see you for day 82 challenge. Best luck.